Alright, so mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point. So you record an empty background for up to 5 seconds. Now you're just working on somersault, just like what you see me do. After this, you can now save your video to your gallery and then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded. So now tap on the video layer right here. Now go and look for volume. Now reduce the volume to 0 because I don't want that noise in the background to be there. So as you can see, the video is not bright. So what you need to do right here is to go and look for adjust. Now you click on adjust. You go and look for brightness. Look at brightness right here. Now increase the brightness to this level. As you can see now, it's brighter. So let's get back to work. So what you need here is the empty background we recorded is what we need to split. So let's go find the empty background, as in before the character walks in. So guys, if you've not liked this video, please like this video right now and comment. If you've not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell. You get my point. So after splitting, you go and look for overlay. Now bring it down and drag it to the beginning of the video. Now immediately the character somersaults and leave the screen. You'll have to tap on the video layer. Now tap on split and delete the ending part of it. Take note, this is the second layer we are talking about. You get my point. So now you tap on the layer as it is. Go and look for duplicate. So you click on duplicate to have it too. You get my point. So after clicking on duplicate, the next thing for you to do right here is to bring it down. Just bring it down towards this second layer. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I have to bring this in. You get my point. So guys, I had to create this YouTube channel due to a series of questions I've received on how I grow my YouTube channel to up to 4,000 subscribers. Understand? So this is just meant for upcoming content creators on YouTube. So if you want to know how to grow your YouTube channel, guys, subscribe to this channel right here. I just created it, so I'll be teaching you, I'll be giving you tips on my experience. I'll be giving you everything I know about YouTube growth. You get my point? So just go and subscribe there and turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I drop a video right there. So the link is in the description of this video. You get my point? So let's get back to work. Understand? To make it the third layer. I believe you get my point from here. So now go and look for reverse. Where is reverse? Where is reverse? Reverse. So click on reverse right here. Allow it to reverse 100. So guys, I'm seeing someone, you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on our simplified video editing tutorial. So this is the reverse part of it. Understand? So the next thing for you to do here is to go and look for remove BG. Understand? So you click on auto removal. You get my point. So look at it here, it will be something like this. Alright, so now click on OK. What you do next is for you to adjust this third layer so it will align when the two characters are putting their hands on the ground. You get my point? You must make sure you do the settings so that when once both characters put their hands on the ground, you have something like what you are seeing on your screen. So it needs a little setting and you should do that. Take your time. If you have any issue, you can watch this video up to 2 or 3 times before you start editing, so you will not make mistake. Though it is simple. You get my point? It's simple. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video on your social media platforms. Don't forget to comment. You get my point? Just say something about this video. Even if you don't know what to say, just say something about the video. You get my point? Now the final adjustment is on the third layer. Understand? This third layer, you should not show when the character is somersaulting in. Understand? You know that's the reverse part of the somersault. You should not show when the character is flying into somersault. You should only start from when the character is in the air. Now when that is done, you tap on the first layer, which is the empty background. You click on split, then you delete the ending part of the video. You get my point? So it will be something like this. So when that is done, you can now save the video to your gallery. You get my point? So you click on done, click on new project and bring back the video you just saved. You get my point? So this time around, you are going to tap on the video layer right here. Now go and look for duplicate. Click on duplicate. So when it shows like this particular duplicated layer, you go to speed and reduce the speed. Just reduce to your own preferred speed. Understand, it must not be too fast, it must not be too slow. You know how to set your own speed, your speedometer. You get my point? So that's all about it, guys. That's all about it. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Like and share this video on social media platforms. You get my point? So guys, when everything is set like this, you can now save your video to your gallery. And that's all. So guys, see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.